magsasolve na naman ulit tayo ng panibagong algebra problem. Pero this time, fraction na siya. Or, meron na siyang numerator and denominator. And, hanapin daw natin yung x. So, bale, note natin sa algebra na a plus or minus b over c is equals to a c plus minus b over c. So, pwede nating ihiwalay itong 3x squared at saka yung 3 since same lang naman sila yung denominator. So, 3x squared over 3 minus 3 over 3 is equals to 10. Okay, equate lang pa rin natin yan sa 10. So, ito, 1 na lang to. And, magka-cancel yung natin dito, yung 3 natin. Okay. So, x squared minus 1 is equals to 10. Add lang natin both sides by 1. So, x squared is equals to 11. Or, pag in-square root natin yan both sides, meron tayong square root of 11. Ito na yung x natin.